Then cuties, you couldn't tell me so gas price high.
Yeah, we
have to buy the mic. Hey, open the mic, we have to buy the mic.
I walk one you saw, no. Anyone on the pregnant? She got some real cute baby stuff, okay?
Somebody! Box some money! Box some money!
Your girl is a celebrity.
Chanel, check it out. Y'all ready?
It's not coming like about me, no sir. Then they're not going nowhere like about me. I don't know what that.
It's one of them. They cold. Move the food not cold. Put the food in something I want it now. Look on all the Jesus. It turned me off from the food. God no. Turned me off completely, cuties. I don't like that.
Everything turned purple.
Everything turned purple. I don't like that look there. Cuties, we're gonna do an unboxing. Is it my box? No, it's not. I don't care. I'm unboxing it. Watch your face. Watch your face over there. So that woman that can't shop.
I put the little baby where the girl dead left on the corner.
That sounds like one of my brother. What's in the bag, little?
I've got about 5 little t-shirts in there and a baby something them in a 0 to 6 months, so they must be tiny like rat fitness something.
Not rat pitney.
Come on,
I love things right, man. Let's talk about bag, little. We got baby clothes.
That's one baby will make a promise them to help them with.
Oh my god. Cutie.
Yeah, turn that one on.
I really rat pitney clothes.
Rats,
Look at that little bit.
Sorry.
This is the cutest little outfit. Little skirt. And look at her. They look like mommy, they cute though. But they tell her she can go on with themselves.
And the material feel good?
Yeah. What baby know about material? They're lucky. By the time they wear that one time, they can't fit them again. What is key ring?
Let me see. Yeah.
For
For the kids them. We have to let her, what you let her that?
well, you get the names. Okay, I mind this. Okay, say who name K? Who name K?
K.
Who?
Kim.
Who is Kim? May I ask you who's Kim?
Kim. Kimisha.
Oh, rotted. So can you say for the kids them? Like weird.
Jamaica. But I'm not for Kimisha for years. I for your Jamaica key ring. I'm gonna put your upstairs door key them on it that me know so I feel the key.
Nice.
Them the nice?
Put them for boogie.
Pizza. I'm gonna give it something look weird.
Put them
something, yeah.
You just always want somebody to take care of you.
I know that. The baby need somebody to take care of her.
So
Her
she
mother
have
dead
her
when she
family?
2 months old. No. She only have her mother and her sister and Kantana there with the sister.
So she
I'm married, take the baby.
cute baby clothes. Cute anyone on the pregnant. She ain't got some real cute baby stuff, okay? Material them nice too.
Kapan Jenny, she wish her food.
Yeah man, call pan Jenny, she wish her food no. I will got one G. I will got G. Yeah, I will name a G me.
I don't know.
So you get G.
You sure, G?
Then me no letter the alphabet and G this.
I like.
One big capital G. Who is G?
You sure? Let me get G. I don't know.
This is G, mom. For sure.
I don't know how I got the G and why.
Because I work for all and you must see what letter the alphabet you get.
No, I don't get the whole of the letter. I saw that little.
What is this?
Something to put in my cards.
A card size. It's cute though. Look a card holder.
It's like less than $1.
Yeah. We didn't need the bag then.
No, I don't need bags.
Nice. I like shirt them a boogie one.
Mm-hmm.
What size them are small?
No.
I want to change things even though I have to search for the tag.
Mm-hmm. Now this side always not uncomfortable.
I'm big.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
And paper.
medium.
I can cut them out. And one more suitcase to pack. I'll pack the one down
How
there.
much suitcase you pack already?
I pack one suitcase and luggage.
Oh. Should get one more skirt suit. I was a short set. I don't know. Your ear like a ringing? Me is a ring. Like.
Jesus Christ, Kayanntoocute, that's not good enough.
Why?
Your ears not supposed to do that. No, my teeth are not finding a specialist to get that ringing out of them ears.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, my ear. Like something. Like a I'm not sitting for you. Oh. Can't tell me so them are so cute. And cutie Marie. She's gonna love the well, you know she like she understand what she get.
That's cute to them.
What she includes them make you want baby. Jay. Cherokee?
No, have the me.
Oh. I name that. Bella's my love.
I want to go for Caddy and baby. For my niece, baby.
Who this?
Mm-hmm. That too small for her?
So me not think you don't shop for she already.
Yeah, but if them come a little bit biggish, we wouldn't get the baby them the can. If it's too bigger than the baby is 3 months old. Or 4 months. But you're good now that you walk.
They may not for walk.
If they sure them never fit her stay, them stay. Come and buy some up a little something for my niece, baby. That look more like
This is so cute.
nice, eh? With a
So
little something
pretty,
them
yeah.
on it.
Cute little summer outfit. What am I get?
Probably different color, right?
No, two same thing.
And I have to
The pink tights, yeah. On the top, yeah, two
look
same
on the
thing.
size.
I saw when you shop on Shein 69 months.
The other one
you
are probably
will
the bigger
realize,
one.
say you not see, two of them are 69 months.
What?
Probably two did it and you don't realize how two did it. Always happen to me too.
No, that happened with the little crocks right there too.
Look a dress. I think one panty that come underneath it.
That baby something.
Yeah, you know them little panty there?
I can't believe I'm still on it after all I say.
Well, that means that the food not bad.
What food so bad, Karen?
Because
I'm eating a sauce. You're not going to eat this stuff because it little bit fresh for me.
Alright. Coming up, put no salt in there coming up
Right.
while you're your mouth.
Yeah. Got it nice because it's fresh.
This color, you probably can't even see the color. But this
Orange.
is them pretty though. Oh god. I'm so cute. I'm gonna love them, yeah. My Little Pony. These little shorts, I think that come on and need something.
I like the sneakers from my young shoes.
What the sneakers them there?
I mean that. But me that was send up
From-
from Cherokee. Said,
From
no.
where you get sneakers from, Steve? From Shein? Amazon?
Cherokee said, no, auntie, then they're good for you, man.
They're pretty, man. A beach
Yeah.
clothes then? No, sir.
I can't beach clothes, can't a baby look for something there. You know, see Z and E.
Let's see E.
So
They
this
look
Zoe,
like
yeah.
a the G you pick for Zoe.
Almost G for your garden, because look like I couldn't get the other letter.
Probably.
That's why I
But
shoot.
they remember say she need a garden.
They
So
couldn't
probably-
figure out the G either.
I probably fear one that.
Yeah, the G, I fear it too.
That's the Emma one. So a birdie there.
No, nothing about tree.
Bird no leave. Whoa! Well,
We
everything.
must see they left it coming
Now
now
to
and
go
back.
back. I
And
want
it
to
ends up
watch
coming
you now.
over.
She never pack 1,000 clothes in a one bag.
Mm-hmm.
If Amazon send box a 1 million box come.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, telling you that she shell the plate. Shellings. I like that. I like that.
Look how fine the fish went through. The fish went down.
Them something they always do. If a fish born that.
Cabbage good for you, no cabbage. We can go to the bathroom.
Cabbage give gas.
No, give me no gas.
You sure? Actually, you
know
don't
what-
know.
You know what gas bill me paying if me didn't have to pay gas bill, but alright.
I'm tired. I'm supposed to go on party tonight.
Go your yard, man. Come to your yard.
I'm going to stay and come here funeral early in the morning.
You look a baby girl, it's the prime minister, so every time I your yard.
That's right, you know, we are come. Do this, she pack and ready for good Jamaica, my love.
Put them in a packet in your truck up and tank.
By the way, she leaving me, y'all. The lady changed her flight. She can't wait for me again.
I'm gonna go.
This, oh, that no packet. This pack already?
Yeah.
And you carry and pack.
Me just not like them.
So this you done pack now?
This never pack.
So what is this, sir?
That is to put away. Those are leftover stuff. The towel them and stuff will leave over.
Oh, I think you carry them too. So boogie foot big?
I'm sorry, level.
Boogie's a 11 where?
Yep. I'm talking about level. I don't know why.
Mommy, when boogie wear 11, you ever buy 11 for boogie yet?
And 9, me always buy me.
So that me I saw when boogie
You
for...
forgot, so we buy the 10 and a half and got Jamaican enough with him.
Actually, 10 and a half.
Ah, you must have forgot. Boogie and a half, 15 again, you know.
Damn. So that's the same working, how you call them?
What, them here?
Yeah, that's them have sneakers they, you know.
Them kind of sneakers, them same want him, same can't wear nothing with eye.
I know him can't
All
wear
this
them.
me that I send back jerseys and auntie. Everything I send back the rest.
I try him foot make him want them comfortable
Yeah.
flat sneakers, yeah.
You say all the Timberland and Abadan foot now, so.
Cuties, I don't know if you guys know, but my brother have 1 foot.
Yeah, you
Well,
wear
one
a
and a half
prosthetic
foot.
leg.
Yeah, him have a false foot. So if you don't know him, you can't tell him have a prosthetic, what am I saying? False
Yeah,
leg.
prosthetic.
You can't know if you don't know him because his foot just go down in night and I don't know it. Yeah. So I guess that's why I want them sneakers, you know.
Your calendars at your house?
I say I just bought one. I buy one what you call it? One big calendar so me can do. You know what me do. So it have the space, them space here. Big so you can write the name. Yeah. And I over
So that's the table one.
no,
That's the one for the decks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, see me the pocketbook that I'm buy.
Watch out. I bet them send them back.
Then can.
Pocketbook this?
Yes.
The suitcase.
No, that's not suitcase.
But this big just like the one where you always have
The big just like the next pocketbook, but the strap burst. And this have a bottom piece. Have a hidden part in the bottom.
You always are trying to trick the people about 2 suitcases now.
No, that's not 2. That is my hand luggage and that is my pocketbook.
That's 2 and luggage.
But I might have to take out back some of them. They feel a suitcase, they fit not feel what are 50 pounds.
Where you think there?
None of them
Scale?
to scale, they're not working.
How am I going to have 50 pounds? I'm going to lift up the suitcase for. In the heavy door.
H&R Block makes
I
it
feel
easy to
heavy.
reserve time
I have a new scale. What kind of scale around that?
find a time that works for you.
It have the piece in the back. You plug out the piece.
Oh,
out
this
the
big
back.
so long time and it's a scale big so
Take
me.
out the piece out the back. It have a look up there. Dry it and it take it out. Yep. So that you have a hole up in your hand.
Oh, so I wouldn't let go. God mercy.
Well, that's left of my dinner. And banana trees.
Zero right there now.
That's why. Then if I realize I didn't to do that.
Come on, find somebody next to tell me I was really down. I was really down. The devil really had me.
Stop it, just keep going now. It just a go so it not up. For real now, mommy, just keep going. Just a search my way, cuties look like me too big.
It's not past 177.
I want 70 I say? Me
It's
definitely
down at
will.
180 now. No, it's not working. I put it on the wooden floor and see what happened. The wood part of the floor or the tile.
244.
So it actually stopped when you put it on the
Yeah.
wooden floor.
I just the
The carpet.
yeah.
Can't set it on the carpet. Come with that. Some more
It's
wheel.
accurate scale for us.
It's accurate. You're that your way. Yes, Jesus, I'm getting there. Soon can't I get my room. This will drive me crazy. So what is this?
Forever. Alright. I love happy packing. So you take all the rest of stuff then when you want for out of the box, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, man, never clean up everywhere when I finish the back.
Oh, what is?
Yeah, left your bungalow key right here.
Only this?
Yeah, me throw it some in the back of car go work with. Nice, throw a beat on it. You not sleep up, why? You want some?
Yeah, I want some. One girl tell me about one remedy to make for my face and it need real honey in
Yeah,
it.
but you can't give my honey if you go make something to face, Kayan.
So my face not important.
Me, I tell you.
Which cleanse?
First of all, you need to get the black seed out.
Like
See on
this?
your phone, yeah, leave. These are the real honey.
Everything. It's a sign.
Get the black seed oil where you hear them talk about the Ethiopian black seed oil.
I'll see
It's
this
a pill.
thick.
And flush out your system. And then after that, now then you can watch and see how it works. What's going on?
Picture them. Anytime
Oh,
you see. Time you see them picture them, I'm going to tell a picture really.
Memory,
Good something
yeah,
for-
worth
yeah.
1,000 words for truth.
Anytime you see that picture, remember the exact day.
Which picture?
When me and Birdie did this. We're long and skinny and black. I don't know, we black, you know? At the old time camera, yeah.
No
so.
time cameraman. A time birdie pregnant.
Yeah.
Look for one at the wedding. Look how your mark there so.
Me I tell you, could I drink water out of my neck?
Jesus.
Or the age for see that picture yeah come when she just like girl. Oh, Tisha.
See the school picture there up there so too. When are your graduation? Look
Baby
for
them there.
Boogie. I'm look nice. I can't lose no foot.
No, you can't tell. Say.
Can't
And him,
tell.
him have 1 foot from him and what? 2?
2 years and 10 months old.
You can't tell. Look
Yeah,
at
when we go
this.
church, yeah, look at that.
For you see him out. So me and Sissy po.
And that picture there, Tiano.
Tiana? Yeah, me I wonder which baby.
Tiano and Tiano just
Tiana
born.
just turned what
19.
19. How old is Tilly?
Yeah, I mean and Tilly and I one of my church sister.
Tilly
We-
fever African.
Because it was an African day. You know, see all of us in African clothes? This was my wedding cake. My little tiny wedding.
She saved it for a whole year, guys. So we call it freeze it.
That's it. The little top part alone was saved. The rest of it was eaten.
Oh, well, let's also that. Me that show you some more picture, but
But
what
what
is
the
that?
fuck is that over there?
I'm showing me and my baby daddy.
Hey!
I mean my husband. I'm putting down my business.
Where's one there?
So me and my husband, listen. You
Oh.
forget same up there?
Oh, but never even
But I don't know what kind of light. I like this. She said she put.
That's the only light in this room.
That's me and my baby father. You can see him. Take him out. So, I want to tell me if you favor me or him.
One favor, Satisha favor everybody.
Me and Buju favor? No, Satisha favor. Buju bad. No. The light not lighting in here at all, guys.
Come out of this.
But yeah, that's Tisha. Watch me hairstyle. Look at my face. No, sir. All my nose look big. That's what my face skinny. Tisha when she just come a foreign. I mean, Boogie and Birdie that another sir.
Don't not you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy funeral that her mama. Mommy.
And mommy funeral this got me the pregnant when mommy did. Come brother look nice. Ah, that's Tisha. And what if a Tisha baby picture them you have though? Them you a Ziddy and this, a most Ziddy and this.
Did you know hide? Nobody not
This
guess
a
what
look at
this
the-
is Indian.
Lickety, the wall of frame look like a lickety.
Things supposed to in that frame there too.
Some mother and her husband.
Oh, what you say?
Ex-husband.
Oh, get it right.
Not get it right. Oh, no, need that one, yeah. That's my wedding day in Jamaica. So me little and slim. Little pitney. Yes, my love.
Elephant like crazy over there, so.
Elephant like crazy everywhere they house for me. Everywhere.
Because I'm an elephant girl.
No, sir. Nobody come to Jamaica with it.
Straight on me, I cried over there. You think I left them, yeah?
But I full up.
me elephant them.
But I full up the outside Jamaica with no elephant.
Yes, I am. Elephant is good luck. You notice all of them trunk up every country we go.
Maybe.
We bring an elephant.
Maybe one or two.
You
You can put some big elephant on the gateway. You know them two stump there with the
exactly what's gonna happen.
Yeah, and then that's it. That's it for the
No.
elephant. Watch ya. Look on the wall.
Elephant.
No, me like you're obsessed.
Elephant in every style.
This is obsession at this point. Anyway, Mom, I'm out. I'm going home. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. You're welcome. You're welcome. Later.
I will see you one day in the week when I'm almost done packing.
Okay.
I need some help to clean up.
To clean up.
Yeah, one time they properly, man. I just can't manage.
Alright then. Bye. Yeah. Cute is gonna take me. I'm not gonna party, you know. So we can manage. Go home, go. I'm gonna go get some sleep. I'm tired. I'm at funeral early. Funeral at 9 o'clock at morning. I'm back in the house. I'm home. I am going to get me some sleep. I'm tired. But if not bed again. I got out my finger today, guys. The freaking knife in the sink. The knife I'm just sharpen in the sink. I'm here clean up and chop off my finger. I'm on what do you call it? No band-aid. So I have to wrap it up. Literally split for me as I go right down deep. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? I'm not gonna wait tonight. I just call my friend. I don't even know if I tell her she does not go see my show. My foot is weak and my shoulder is killing me. I'm at a funeral a morning. I'm at Africa funeral. So I'll see y'all when I wake up. Bye. Morning. We are ready to go. Coolie day rush me.
Don't call my name too serious.
Which your jacket?
Then we'll go on whatever class then.
Go on what page?
Now class cuties this year.
Oh. Scissors.
Can bite with the teeth.
No teeth.
What you? Why you cover them? Them one know them why they can't come out. You bring them to your grave.
2 years, them have to stay on for.
Again?
Them have to come off, you know.
Me know so we put them on back for.
Can't not fix good.
That means I never.
Come bend that color for them.
I can't go there with them by your teeth.
No. You know, say. You don't know any color?
Oh.
Bend this. Me not pause no video.
Cuties are the wrong thing to say, yeah.
No, they hear me loud and clear. Anyway, guys, this is the look.
Anyone
I'm gonna pack the bag here fast.
Anyone of me, I'm going to the comments. Anybody may say a laugh. Anyone of me cuties may say a laugh after.
Alright, look on this one. Reach a look at pop. No, never mind. Me go myself. Cause.
This one?
Yeah. Well, you know something, man. Cute is as usual. Your girl is late. As usual. No, nothing new. We're not late though. No, we don't. No, we're not. Let me show y'all the outfit so we can get it here. Cool, come and show them the outfit.
Come in and see.
I walk on your son. No. What the fuck?
Oh, dear.
You know, sister, the zip.
Oh, shit. The zip spoiled?
Oh, God, please don't be spoiled. Because right now, I'm not change. Never wear that outfit yet. That's how the zip is spoiled.
That's why. If I zip it up too fast, man. It miss.
Kaya rush me.
But somebody never put on the body.
Alright, cuties, this is the look. You remember this outfit I got from Style We, right? This is it. We ready. We out. Bag, sheen. Yeah. Cute. Come show them here. This is Coolie. I remember Coolie, right?
Hi, cuties.
Hi. Looking snippy, snappy.
Late as usual.
Be quiet. Then cuties, you couldn't tell me so I saw gas price high.
You have your phone?
No, I don't. Let me tell you something left the phone.
Oh, you miss your talk to cuties.
Somebody need my phone for talk to cuties.
I know. I know.
Cuties, usually it's like 48, say $50 to fill my tank. We just put gas in at the tank. $50 off. $50 off the tank. Something can go, sir? So I want to pay $100 full tank now. Who in the world are going to do that? We are going for the phone now, we are just a funeral. And then...
When they write the your phone, you the funeral, they don't wait.
I don't know, could I come back after funeral because you're in such a rush?
I don't know, I think you want your phone. So we have to go inside for then come back?
No, alright. I'm going to house tonight, yeah, going to. I think it's in the closet. Anyway, guys, we're on our way. I'll see y'all when we get there, okay? We're looking cute. Hey, you know long to go for? We're supposed to go Angela and Becker who cook for?
Yeah.
We're supposed to go fair. Then put off the funeral at Jamaica. Jamaica the funeral for the boat when it did for keep, I think it was a storm time.
Oh, Melissa.
Yeah, so something, I don't remember what happened, but
She
they had, she buried, but she buried long after. So it never worked out. Anyway. Okay. We're late for true. Oh, we alone out here, my love. At least it's a beautiful day. It's so cool outside. But yeah. Oh, go on. Oh, go on.
Nine makeup.
Yeah, no.
For those who don't know me, I am Tammy, and she's Tammy to me. I'm her cousin. I've known Tammy my entire life. Even though I stand here in pain, it is an honor that she asked me to read her most painful thoughts to her son. For those of you who may not know me, I am Jelani's mom's mom. Jelani Eric Litwinka was my second born child, but he was my world, my everything, my best friend, my ride or die, my rock, and my protector. From the time he was little, there was something special about the bond we shared. He loved his moms, and I mean he loved his moms. Nobody could say anything about me, no matter who they were, because Jelani would not allow it. That was just who he was, protective, loyal, solid. One day he tattooed my name on his arm, big, and I said, Jelani, why would you do that? And he looked at me like I was crazy and said, Mom, it's your name. You're acting like it's somebody else's name. I have to have your name big on me. That was my son. He was proud of me, and I was proud of him. Jelani loved his family deeply. He loved his brother Michael, and when Michael passed away, Jelani and his brother Cameron got matching tattoos in his honor. That's the kind of heart he had. He carried the people he loved with him always. He loved his brother Gio, he loved his sister Gianna, he loved his family and his friends fiercely. He was smart, he was funny, he had a way of making me laugh out loud, even on my worst days. He was handsome and he knew it, and the girls definitely knew it too. But he would always talk about his future. He had plans. He said he was going to work until he was 25. He and Charlie were going to buy a duplex or a 3-family house so that he could rent it out. He was thinking ahead. He had goals. He wanted to start having kids young. He would say, Mom, I'm gonna be like you. I'm gonna have my kids young, so when they're grown, I'm still young. And we would just laugh. He included Charlie and their dog Remy in everything. He loved hard, he planned big, he dreamed forward. And I truly believed I was going to watch all of it happen. Losing a child is something no mother is prepared for. There are no words that can fully describe this pain. I miss his smile, I miss his laugh, I miss his handsome face. I miss talking to him, I miss hearing him call me Mom. But what I will never miss, because it will never leave me, is his love. Jelani, you will forever be in my heart, my mind, and my soul. You made me proud every single day. You loved me out loud, and I will love you for the rest of my life. I don't know what life looks like without you here physically, but I know one thing. I will carry you with me in everything I do, just like you carried me on your arm. Thank you, my son, for choosing me to be your moms. Thank you for loving me the way that you did. Until we meet again, I love you always. Come and turn this around. Deep down, I know.
What's up, baby?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You?
I'm fine, thank you.
But it's alright.
No, baby, oh God.
My daughter first boyfriend, my first daughter, first school boyfriend, yeah.
What's in Jamaica for her grandfather? Are you on TV? Me, I watch all the time. I watch you all the time. I watch you all the time.
Thank you.
I watch you all the time. When you're back feed,
All about the place.
I watch you every time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, so I say, I'm like, you know, I say, all right. Which one I see if you I see a Sunday at the brunch. I say, hi.
Birthday.
Come and see, you say nothing to me, so I'm
It's weird, yo.
you see a party, you pass me, everything.
Let me tell you something. Same time ago, one thing became walking out into more Main Street. So I take my time, I'm more Main Street. I swear, I don't know who them beside me, back of me, front of me. So it's never that vibe. I promise you. Yeah, that's my friend's son. My friend's son, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, go around there. I mean drive, but
You have space?
yeah, man, there's space.
Alright, me just tell the lady to pick me up some medical drive.
Okay.
I'm gonna make sure it's here.
I'm trying. Sorry. Hello, I'm gonna come off it.
You can't risk it.
No.
Don't put it on.
Me no wish me push pa. You probably can't do it. Me you let me have. Come on. I don't want to last you. Oh, sorry, sorry. Hey, what's up? How are you doing? Good. How are you? You okay? Where wifey at?
I don't know, she's mixed up over there.
Oh. You know, you me a call thing this at time about. But how you doing? Thank you, you too. Thank you. Alright, cuties, we're gonna go by the graveside now, and then we're gonna do the repass. It is getting hot. I gotta go in the car before I start sweat that makeup here for my face. I met a cutie. Listen, your girl is a celebrity. I say word go, I always call her word wrong, you know. Your girl is a celebrity. I'm joking, y'all. I'm joking later.
Alright, let me go get my stuff so I can change.
Thank you,
I
sweetie.
love that tattoo.
Thank you. Shit hurt like hell.
What made you choose the
Butterfly?
No, not the butterfly. The
My daughter.
Yeah.
I wanted the butterfly, and then she's like, let's put them together.
Oh. How old was she when she said that?
17. Enough, enough.
That's for Gabby and them.
Yeah, so we are change? Me no, me not laugh, yeah, so. Cuties, we're here at my friend's house. We're gonna change and then we're gonna head to the repass. But my camera is about to die, so I'm gonna change, plug in the phone, the camera, and then pick it up back. You're so pretty. Hi. Hi, mama. Oh, you cool. What's your trim, bro? Oh. I know you want to come out.
Oh shoot! Hey, mama.
This is what I was telling you, but I couldn't find those from her.
I know who mama is.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Something to drink and sing on. Sing.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the time.
Lady Cam YouTube channel, check it out. Got a shout out to Jelani, man. Tell about it. R.I.P. Ladies and gentlemen.
Coolie, bring some ice.
What's the
Bring some ice.
Everybody that's wearing a t-shirt that represents Jelani right now, man. Where's my t-shirt though? I'm saying. Sherry Wine! Sherry Wine! Sherry Wine! Sherry! No, come get him.
Let's see how long Sherry that grow. Yo, the big woman that grown long.
And jump off. She want to walk Kayanntoocute. Lazarus, bring a sister.
She walking around trying to get subscribers. She's too brave. Yo, she literally walking the whole entire party getting subscribers right now. But they run her, I have 100,000 at the end.
Right here.
Watch out, she gone again.
That's a great fact.
Everybody. I swear, she all over the party.
You work, you know, but everything depends on you.
That's true.
You have close mouth that can depend, brother.
True.
You go give a people as long as they have a good energy, you say, "Hi, good evening, can you subscribe to my YouTube?"
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you very much. That thing in the heart.
That's true, that's
Yes
true.
or no?
It's either yes-
Or them taking picture in and what we tell them.
True. True. That's so true. I'm gonna do it. Big up to she.
Everybody cups up? Okay. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers to Jelani.
Get up! We need you right here. Stand beside me right here, please. We need a couple more people right here. It's all check. Come beside me. Yeah. Just like this. No, we say let's go. Yeah, let's go. Go. This is the ghetto soul train. Thank you. Go. Look at God. God
Aye.
Quarantine.
Come on,
Yes, live life. Kids here, kick it up a notch. Kick it up.
Where's Giola? Cute. Love you, Jelani. Love you, Jelani.
Well, there you have to Where is Brooklyn? Show me something. That's how she is. See that talking to me, friend named Steve. Girl, with me, all lucky. Yeah, we make it today. Yeah, we tell us how I'm going. We're not to buy the mic. Hey, we're going to buy the mic. We're not to buy the mic. Hey, what's some money? Box some money. Box some money. Boxer. We'll be rich. Rich. You ready for them? Rich, you have money. You're rich. You're rich. Yo, my love for now.
Shoot again.
When the song ready, how would them know? Yeah, my love for the people. On the book we again. On the rich. We again. Rich. Yeah. I love it. Fuck Charlie. Fuck up. You want it? Yo. Take your way there. Go up, more money. The boy, everybody together. Look into my eyes. Fuck your nigga.
Look at this. Camera is about to die. Oh my god, everything dead. Oh my god, it's so hot.